The world is witnessing a shift in the global economic landscape. Emerging economies are gaining prominence. Among them is a group of 8 developing countries known as the D8. Established in 1997, the D8 comprises Bangladesh, Egypt, Indonesia, Iran, Malaysia, Nigeria, Pakistan, and Turkey. These nations represent a significant portion of the world's population, resources, and economic potential. The D8 aims to foster economic cooperation and trade among its member states. It seeks to leverage their collective strengths and address common challenges. The D8 operates on the fundamental principle of South-South cooperation. This means that developing countries are increasingly collaborating and supporting each other's growth. This bloc recognizes that traditional North-South partnerships are no longer sufficient to address the complex issues facing the developing world. The D8 offers a platform for member states to share knowledge, expertise, and resources. It enables them to pursue common goals of economic development, social progress, and technological advancement. The organization focuses on several key areas of collaboration, including trade, industry, energy, agriculture, and tourism. By fostering partnerships in these sectors, the D8 aims to create new avenues for economic growth and improve the living standards of its citizens. The D8 has witnessed significant progress in recent years. Trade between member states has increased substantially, and joint ventures in various sectors have begun to yield positive results. However, the organization also faces challenges. These include bureaucratic hurdles, trade imbalances, and the need for increased investment in infrastructure and technology. Despite these challenges, the D8 remains a beacon of hope for developing countries. It represents a powerful force for change in the global economic order. As the D8 continues to evolve, it has the potential to become a major player on the world stage. This bloc can contribute to a more just and equitable global economic system. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on global trade and economic cooperation. Bangladesh, a nation on the rise, stands as a testament to the transformative power of economic development. As a member of the D8, Bangladesh is uniquely positioned to harness the benefits of this dynamic partnership. With its youthful population, strategic location, and growing economy, Bangladesh offers a compelling investment destination within the D8. The country has made remarkable progress in recent decades, achieving impressive economic growth and lifting millions out of poverty. Bangladesh's economy has been one of the fastest growing in the world, driven by a thriving ready-made garment industry, robust remittances from overseas workers, and increasing agricultural productivity. Within the D8, Bangladesh can further enhance its economic prospects by tapping into new markets and forging strategic alliances. One of the key advantages for Bangladesh lies in the potential for increased trade with other D8 members. These countries represent a vast and diverse market for Bangladeshi products, particularly in sectors such as textiles, pharmaceuticals, leather goods, and ceramics. Moreover, Bangladesh can benefit from importing essential commodities, raw materials, and technology from its D8 partners at competitive prices, reducing its reliance on traditional trading partners. Furthermore, Bangladesh's participation in the D8 provides a platform for attracting foreign direct investment from other member countries. Investors from nations like Malaysia, Turkey, and Indonesia are increasingly recognizing the potential of Bangladesh's growing consumer market and skilled workforce. This influx of investment can help drive industrialization, create jobs, and boost economic growth. In an increasingly interconnected world, diversification is key to economic resilience and sustainable growth. For Bangladesh, membership in the D8 presents a golden opportunity to diversify its trade partners and reduce its dependence on a limited number of markets. Currently, Bangladesh's exports are heavily concentrated in a few Western countries, making it vulnerable to economic fluctuations in those regions. By expanding trade relations with D8 nations, Bangladesh can mitigate these risks and create a more balanced and resilient trade portfolio. The D8 offers access to a wide range of markets with diverse demands and consumption patterns. This allows Bangladesh to explore new export opportunities for its goods and services. For instance, Bangladesh's thriving pharmaceutical industry can find new markets in D8 countries like Nigeria and Egypt, which have large populations and increasing healthcare needs. Beyond trade diversification, the D8 also facilitates technology transfer and knowledge sharing among member states. This is particularly crucial for Bangladesh, as it seeks to move up the value chain and develop a more knowledge-based economy. Countries like Malaysia and Turkey have made significant strides in areas such as manufacturing, engineering, and information technology. Bangladesh can leverage the expertise of these nations through joint ventures, research collaborations, and technical assistance programs. For example, Bangladesh can partner with Malaysian companies to develop its automotive industry, or collaborate with Turkish firms to enhance its textile manufacturing processes. Such collaborations can accelerate technological advancements in Bangladesh, enhance the skills of its workforce, and boost its overall competitiveness in the global market. Join us in supporting Bangladesh's journey towards a diversified and technologically advanced economy. Together, we can unlock new opportunities and drive sustainable growth. Visit our website to learn more and get involved.